Hi, everybody. Hi, sailors. Hi, boys and girls. This is Captain Coco, and today we want to talk about money. Money, otherwise known as finance. Money is an important thing because you give money and you get goods and services. You get things. Without money, people won't give us stuff, right? So we need money. Money is very important. Money is used by mommies and daddies and sometimes you to buy things. Money comes in different forms. There are bills, there are checks that you write, and there are cards that you give. And they all are kind of the same thing. They're money. Most money in the world is actually just numbers in a bank. What do we do with money? Well, you can spend it. You can also save it. If you save money, you'll have more for tomorrow. So it's good not to spend all of your money at once. Save some. Do you know what's even better than saving money? Investing your money. That's a really smart thing that really smart boys and girls do. Investing means when you put money in something that makes it grow. Yeah, money can grow just like a tree. So you can invest in a bank, you can invest in a stock, you can invest in a business, you can invest in lots of things and have more money, which is good. Yeah, it's also good to save your money for a rainy day. So, what did we learn today about money? So many things. Money can be saved, money can be invested, money comes in lots of different forms, and when you work, people give you money. Usually. Okay, boys and girls. Whoa, we did a lot of subjects in this money thing today. Just remember, be careful with your money and always try to invest in a good way. Okay, boys and girls, it was very good talking to you today about money. Like and subscribe, and that will be very good. Okay, hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget, Captain Coco cares about you very much. Be brave, behave, and be happy. Okay, sailors, bye!